Hello everybody, welcome to another Roblox video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple basic quest system where you get a pad, then you have to find an item, click send, and it rewards you. Sorry, this is the second time I record this video. The first time I did it, didn't record properly. So I'm just gonna go through the scripts and what you need to do and add, and I'll explain how the scripts work, but this is the ending product, accept key. And if you see the output here, press complete, and every time you step on it, you just keep again and again and again and again. Alright, so this is how it works. First, the pad is the basic part, and it's inside the script, and this way you have to put script the parent touch the connect function. Hit local player, because the game that players that get play from character hit the parent, so this would get the person who touched it. Then fire a remote event called the remote event to the player. So these are the remote events, so make sure to add them. Remote event, key, reward, give. So pause the video if you have to. Now for the key, you have to do script the parent, the click detector, the mouse click, connect function player. Then game the consider the key, the fire client player. This won't be a model. I want, because you'll see why. It's not complete because it's up to you to complete it, like the reward part of the whole script. So it's not that hard to copy. So you got that part. Now for the quests, make a GUI, and first make a GUI, and in the GUI make a text button and another text button. So I'll show you what they both look like. Okay. Position. This is what this one looks like. So yeah, so text label right here. That's a decline button, accept button. And the accept button is what it says. But besides that, let's do the local script. This calls the remote event. So this is the top. Give the replica story to remote event on client event connect function. Local UI, which is this frame. UI that visible makes it visible. Team position and script itself. The script disables itself, so it can't be called again and again until it's completed. Team position, UDIM2 just makes it move from right to left to put in its position. So it's a fancy animation. You can just put it in the center and make it visible off, then visible true. But I made it fancy. So yeah, make sure the frame's position is 0 point that, and then when you hide it, make sure it's -1 from that part. So the accept, skip the parent and must be one click connect function. Script the parent the team position. So this is the part where the whole frame here goes back, and so that's the -1 position. Wait 1 second, then script that parent, the visible equals false, so this thing goes visible or false. Then the local quest is this thing right here. Now this is the part where the quest will go true, visible equals true. The decline button, well, it just goes back to the right, then visible off, and makes the local script disabled false, because you need it, because if they decline it, you want them to get the quest again. And if they accept the quest, you want to not disable it, not make it disabled equals false, because you want them to complete it then disable it. Make the local script disabled equals false. So for the quest portion is, so we can just hide this. Okay, we can just -1. All right, this part, this equals true. It's like that. Text label, this part, there's a local script, is the one with the 0. This just repeatedly makes the text label's text value equals to the number value. So insert a number value inside the frame. That will make it be 1 out of 1 key, like that. So this text label is just a regular text. So right here, out of 1 key found. Now here's the key part. So the remote event with the key. So once since the key in the base plate, this thing right here, fires that remote event, you call it here, and it will make the value equals 1. Now the checker, it loops itself. If that value equals to or greater than is equal or greater than 1, fire the reward event, and which will be called over here. Wait 2 seconds, make the visible frame visible off, value resets itself to 0. So you can, the key thing happens again, so it works. Script that disabled equals true, and script that disabled equals false. Actually, just you don't even, yeah, just in case. All right, then since, like I said, once they complete it, make that local script disabled equals false, just right here. And that's it for the GUI portion, so you can just make that visible false. Now for the service, so instead of script and script service, give the local source or reward give, so you call it player. So in here, I gave an example in the first part of the video where you can do like local stat equals player, that leader stats. So it's an option that cache. So I don't have any data store in this thing or leader stats, so I can't do anything. But hopefully you know how to do it, so you can change it like this, like add value. But for now, to prove to you that it works, it will say quest complete. And I think that's it. So once you get all this done, hopefully you pause this video, you can get a simple quest system that would decline, accept, click the key, 1 of 1 found, and done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out. And also, PS, you can make out of this, you can make it like find the last key or find 5 apples if you want me to do more like a more advanced, quote unquote advanced quest system. Please say so in the comments below, and other things. Yeah, so I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out, and go check out my new videos, and if you want any scripts for me to be made, please say so, and I'll see you guys all next time.